Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by making sure the phone is ready. Update iOS and keep connectivity active so settings sync. Then open Settings and go straight to Phone. Once there, enable Silence Unknown Callers to send unknown numbers to voicemail automatically. You do this because it filters robocalls without blocking known contacts. Make sure your important callers are saved in contacts first, because saved numbers and recent callers will still ring after you enable this option. Next, you'll handle numbers that already reached you. Open the phone app and pick Recents. Tap the info icon beside the unwanted number, then choose Block this caller so calls and texts stop. Alternatively, create a contact for repeat offenders and block the contact from the contact card. This helps when the number changes formatting. Once done, check Settings Phone Blocked Contacts to review or remove entries. This method gives precise control over specific callers. To finish, test the behavior. Ask a second phone with an unknown caller ID to call so you confirm unknowns go to voicemail. If a blocked caller still rings, open Settings Phone Blocked Contacts to verify the entry, then restart the iPhone to force settings to apply. If problems continue, update carrier settings or reset network settings as a troubleshooting step. This clears network glitches. Make sure contacts sync from iCloud because saved numbers must be recognized to bypass the silence feature.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.